Wow, it's crazy windy today, but you know, that's Indiana. We're going to get wind every day. I might as well get used to it. I knew what I was getting into. Hey, welcome back to the Skitch on Wheels channel. 2025 is behind us and 2026 looks pretty darn good, let me tell you. I got a lot of different projects ahead. Some of them are going to be really difficult. I can name 2 of them now that I'm crossing my fingers about. But yeah, we usually take a ride January 1st. I'm a couple days past that. I wasn't able to get out on the 1st, but I want to ride. And it's not that it's tradition, it's just what I like to do, what I want to do. And this year, I'll be turning 62, and I know that the days ahead, you know, might slow down for me a bit, and I'm not looking forward to that. So I'm going to take advantage of it. Anytime I can ride, I'm going to ride. And you'll hear about a challenge here in just a minute we'll talk about that kind of deals with that. But thanks for watching the channel today. Let's get some fuel in the bike, and let's go ride. I get this asked a lot, and I think about it a lot, actually. And that is, you know, this year I'm going to be turning 62 here in a couple months. And what does riding look like for me this year at 62 years old? It's different. It's a lot different than when I was 40. Even when I was 50, I would say. I ride more purposeful. I think I've slowed down quite a bit. Look at that. But yeah, riding at 60 is a joy. It really is. I appreciate it so much more now. I made a move from Tennessee to Indiana this last year, and I didn't ride nearly as much as I wanted to. And it reflects on the miles on this bike. This year in 2026, I'm going to make an attempt, and I'm going to really try to stick to it. I'm going to ride every week. I'm going to do 52 rides in 52 weeks. And I don't care what the weather's like. It's not always going to be pretty. It's not always going to be warm. It's going to be raining sometime. It's going to be windy. There's no excuses. I just love to ride, and I want to do that. I just feel so much better when I'm out riding a motorcycle. And these rides don't have to be epic. It doesn't have to be a day ride, head to a BDR, or do some overnight camping, although those are going to be included, and that's something I want to do. The point of this challenge to me is to get out and ride. Hey, I know 52 rides in 52 weeks is a big ask, and I know that I'm going to try my hardest to do that. But one of the things that's going to motivate me is I'm going to be taking my camera with me. I really love fine arts, photography. That's kind of what I did in school before I went into the medical field. And so I'm going to take some photographs, and hopefully I'll get one good photo out of each trip to be able to share with you. And that kind of satisfies my creative side. And so that's going to motivate me to get out and do these 52 rides in 52 weeks. Speaking of challenges, I've got another one that's a really big one that I've wanted to do for a long, long time. And I bought a 50-year-old motorcycle that doesn't run and is probably missing some pieces and parts. And I don't even know what the parts are that I'm missing. I don't even know what the tools are to fix the parts that are missing. But I'm going to figure it out. I'm going to commit to building this bike and get it running. And so periodically throughout the channel this year, you're going to see some breakdown videos, some repair videos, some working on this bike. And the really cool thing about it is this is an iconic motorcycle. It's what led the charge for high-performance motorcycles back in the 70s. Yeah, before this bike, it was all about leisure riding, you know? Putting people on the back, getting your picnic basket, and going out for a ride, and there's nothing wrong with that. But American muscle and muscle cars kind of prompted this surge in motorcycle performance. And so the Japanese builders, they went at it. And man, because of this first bike, and at one time it was the fastest or quickest production bike, it didn't last long because they outstepped themselves quite a bit. But yeah, it was a heck of a bike. And this bike that I'm talking about that I have, some have termed the Widowmaker. And it's the Kawasaki H1 500 Mach III. It's a 2-cycle, 500cc bike. And the reason it's called the Widowmaker is because it's not very good at cornering, but it's got a power band that will flip you off the back once it hits.
Engineer, where are you headed? Carry me back to Tennessee. Around 7. Oh Lord, they hit Louisville about 9. That poor boy's heart started overheating, sending all of his love on down.
A 1975 Kawasaki H1 Widowmaker. This is going to be a fun time. I'll probably rely on some of you. If any of you have got experience restoring old motorcycles, leave some comments, maybe give me some suggestions on where to start, what to do. So those videos are going to be mixed in throughout the year. Still going to do a lot of videos on the DRZ4S. Got a lot planned for it this year. We're going to talk a lot about riding into our 60s. It's not easy. It's an endurance, and you got to really pace yourself. And there's a lot that goes into being 62 and hopping on a motorcycle and riding. So we're going to discuss some of those things on some of these 52 rides that I'm going to do. But really, channel wouldn't be here without you all. Skitch on Wheels channel has grown pretty good this year, and I really appreciate that. And really, it's not about growth. I do this for fun. I do this to hopefully inform you all if you need some help in that area, and you inform me on certain things. I know my review videos are the best I can do with my knowledge of what I do, and you all have commented supporting that. Some of you have given me some good constructive criticism, and I really appreciate that. But yeah, this next year is going to be another fun year motorcycling. We're going to get into it, and we're going to ride every week. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button if you would. Leave a comment, thumbs up. There's still going to be one more thing with Zoe throughout these videos. Not sure about this video. If it's there, it's there. If it's not, it's not. So I'll do those as they happen. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.